Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GMAT out of this book, the GMAT Review, the official guide. If you don't have this book, buy one immediately. If you're thinking about sitting for the GMAT, you can purchase it at mba.com. The problem that I will solve right now is the one that you will find on page number 163. Page 163, problem solving, number 88. You must have the book in front of you, otherwise you will not follow the problem. It says a necklace is made by stringing n individual beads together in a repeating pattern. And then they give us the pattern. First we have red, then we have green bead, then we have white, then blue, and finally yellow. And this pattern is repeated in a necklace. You keep stringing the beads together, red, green, white, blue, yellow, red, green, white, blue, yellow, and so on and so forth. This particular necklace that I'm about to make, it has to be, I'm told that the necklace has to begin with red. So we have to start here. That makes it easy because that's the first one anyway. Not that it makes any difference because it started anywhere actually. And we are told that it has to end with a white bead. It has to end here. Well, let's think about it for a second. Can I have, in this necklace, can I have 6 beads? Think about it. If I only had 6 beads, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th bead will this one, which means it will start at red and it will end at red. Can I have 7 beads? If I had 7, it will end at green. Can I have 8 beads? Yes, I can have 8 because then I will end at white, which is where I want to end. So how did I get 8? How did I get 8? Because I want to end at white. White is the third one. 1, 2, 3. And the third one in the pattern because I'm starting here. Since it's the third one in the pattern, then I know that if I have 5 and then 3 more, I will stop here. How about if I had 12 beads? Can I have 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That would not work. As you can see, 12 will end in green. I need to end here. I'm told to end in white. So in other words, I need some multiple of 5 and then 3 more. Because multiples of 5, if I have 5 beads, I will end at yellow. If I start with red, I will end at yellow. If I have 5 beads, if I have 10 beads, I will end at yellow. If I have 15 beads, I will end at yellow. If I have 20 beads, I will end at yellow, and so on and so forth. But if I have 3 more, I will go 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and I will end at my white one. So that's what we have to see here. All I have to do is go through the answer choices and see which number is some multiple of 5 with a remainder of 3. That's all it is. Let's take a look at it. A, B, C, D, and E. Let's change the color here because this blue thing I do not like. It's writing quite lightly. A says 16. 16 would not work because 16 would give us a 3 complete pattern. It will give us the 3 complete pattern, and then we'll have 1 left over, which means we'll end up with red. We'll start with red and we'll end up with red. That's no good. How about 32? 32 is a multiple of 5. It's 6 times 5. So here I will have 6 complete pattern, which will be 30, and then I have 2 more to go. 2 more to go will be this and that. I will end up with green. This will end up with green. If I have only 1 left over, I will end up with red. I will end up with where I started. That's no good. I want to end at white. How about 41? Would 41 work? Well, 41, that's 8 times 5, it's 40. And then I will have 1 left over. Again, if I have only 1 left over, I'll end up with red. Could 54 work? 54 is 5 times 10, which is 50. Why am I doing 5 times 10? It doesn't matter, but it should be 10 times 5. 10 times 5, because I'm trying to show you here how many complete patterns you will have, and each pattern has 5 beats. Red, green, white, blue, yellow, 5 beats, and this shows you how many complete patterns you will have. If you have 54 beats, you'll have 10 complete patterns, and you have a 4 left over. The 4 that you have left over, you're going to end up with red, green, white, and blue. This will end in blue. This is no good. This bloody thing is no good. I think I'm beginning to get this inkling as to what the right answer might be. Let's look at the right one. Let's look at the, I didn't mean to say let's look at the right one. I meant to say let's look at the last one. I give the game away, don't I? 68. 68, does it go into 5? Well, of course it does not go into 5, but what's the closest number that you can come to? 68, which does go into 5 with some leftover. Of course we can't go to 70 because we don't have 70 here, we are too short 70. So how about 65? 65 would be 13 complete patterns, and then 3 more to go. 3 more to go, let's see where we end up with. 3 more to go. A 1, a 2, and 3. Hey, what do you know? We'll end up with white. There you go. That's your answer. Easy answer. And that's all it is. It's just a matter of thinking logically, systematically, calmly, collectively. That's all it is. It's not the math that's difficult here. It's not the math that gives the problem to people. Math is very simple. They do not ask you any calculus or trigonometry or analytical geometry or complicated statistics. No, the math is very simple on the exam. They just want to see if you can think straight in a systematic way. That's all it is. You just have to stay calm, calm down, and take your time, and just think logically, systematically, one step at a time. That's all it is. I hope you found this helpful. If you wish to purchase the DVDs that I have put together, which contain the solutions to all the problems that you find in this book, there are 400 problems about. If you wish to purchase those DVDs, send me an email. Go to my website at www.prep4gmat.com. Excuse me. If you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring, I'm also available for that at your service. Send me an email again. Go to the website prep4gmat.com. Send me an email. Tell me where you're located, and either you can come to me, or I'll be more than happy to come to you, as long as we can come to some arrangement. I am in Connecticut, but that does not prevent me from leaving the state. I checked on that. It's okay. So send me an email and we'll talk. Alright? If you wish to get these clips right away as soon as I upload them on the YouTube, subscribe to the channel, because as time goes by I'm going to be adding more and more stuff about GMAT. Now down the road I will do the data sufficiency questions and so forth, and you will get all of them right away. You'll be notified by the YouTube as soon as I upload them if you subscribe to the channel. Alright? Thank you.